Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of the Caviar app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and sign out of the Caviar app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Caviar. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down and then click on Manage Account, and then scroll down again and then click on Log Out. So go ahead and sign out by clicking on the Log Out button, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of the Caviar app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.